तुषार, आपको क्या लगता है कि you are the only Bollywood single parent Bollywood actor?
Yes, first I want to say that I'm मतलब इसकी बहादुरी की I want to say I'm very proud of him. He's the bravest man I know.
तो तुषार, आपको क्या लगता है कि ये टेक्निक का इस्तेमाल करने के बाद बॉलीवुड में और भी आम जनता जो है ज़्यादा ध्यान देगी और सिंगल पेरेंट जो है मेल में वो ज़्यादा
आपके सवाल का जवाब आई डोंट नो, ईच टू हिज ओन, जिसकी जो मर्जी आए करे. आई मीन इफ यू वांट टू स्टार्ट अ फैमिली द नॉर्मल स्टीरियोटिपिकल वे, आई मीन ऑब्वियसली दैट शुड आल्सो बी अ गुड ऑप्शन. ये सिर्फ मतलब आई होप रास्ता खुला है उन लोगों के लिए जो सिंगल पेरेंटहुड का ऑप्शन अपनाना चाहते हैं एंड दे स्टिल वांट टू बी पेरेंट्स एंड हैव किड्स. एंड it was not my first option. I'm 40 right now and I came to realize कि ये रास्ता मुझे चाहिए, and it's turned out to be a beautiful option for me thanks to Dr. Firuza Parekh and the technology and the services and the team at Jaslok.
Thank you.
I want to thank you all also. It's God sent for me क्योंकि मैं तिरुपति गया था, वहाँ प्रकाश झा जी से मुलाकात हुई जिन्होंने मुझे वहाँ ड्राइव पर एक फैमिली से बात करवाई फ़ोन पे, जिन्होंने ये प्रोसीजर किया है. उन्होंने मुझे फिरोज़ा पारेख जी से मिलवाया एंड वी वर जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट इट इन द एलिवेटर अभी कि पता ही नहीं चला कि एक साल कहाँ चला गया और अभी एक बेबी मेरे घर पे जो मेरा वेट कर रहा है, मेरा बेटा. मैं जाऊँगा और उससे मतलब उसके साथ खेलूँगा. तो आई थिंक ये चीज़ें प्लान नहीं की जा सकती. आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू गॉड ऑल्सो फॉर blessing me with such good people and with my son Laksh Kapoor. So and thank you to all of you. You all have been very kind.
आज आमिर ने भी आपकी बहुत तारीफ की स्टेज पे.
That's
I think इन्होंने जो किया है, it's not every people may want to have a child, लेकिन हमेशा वो रुक जाते हैं कि लोग क्या कहेंगे.
Correct.
हम ऐसे कैसे कर सकते हैं, अरे मैं ऐसे सिंगल फादर बनूंगा तो लोग ऐसे बात करेंगे. I think he's very brave. The first time when I came to know, I tweeted that to the bravest person.
Yeah, she
I
was the
knew.
first one to call me also. She was the
Because I
first one to
think
call
it
me.
takes guts to say no. I want to be a father and I don't want to be married. I want to have a child. And he went ahead. He did it the right way and he did it with the right people.
Tushar, what was the first thing when you thought about this? First of all, I would like to applaud you. What was the first thing that came into your mind while thinking of being a single parent? That's really tough when it comes to India. At some point of
नहीं,
time.
1-2 साल से मतलब 2-3 साल से मैं सोच रहा था कि करना है मुझे, कहाँ क्या अमेरिका जाना पड़ेगा, यहाँ होता है भी कि नहीं. All these kind of thoughts would come and I used to talk to my girlfriends also like Amrita and people like नीलम से मैं बात करता था. They used to all give me vague answers. ऐसा बोलते थे कि
You should have called me, na.
apparently the laws are better in India. Then I happened to meet Dr. Firuza Parekh and सब sort out हो गया. But the first thought, I mean, when the baby came home was कि हम announce कैसे करेंगे. वो सबसे मतलब when you don't have a wife and you've not gone the normal conventional way. I won't say it's normal or not normal. Everything is normal. But when you haven't gone the conventional way, then you don't want speculation to come about कि ये कैसे आया बच्चा, ये वो. तो I'm grateful to her for guiding me in the right way that we'll announce it at the right time and we'll announce it with honesty and with whatever we've done in the hospital in that manner. So that is, I think, something that worked out as far as the societal acceptance is concerned. But मेरे मन में तो बस फादर बनने का ही ख्याल आया, तो और क्या ख्याल आएगा.
तुषार, लेकिन लक्ष्य क्या अपनी मॉम को मिस नहीं करता है और वो कैसे गैप फिल कर रहे हैं आप?
He's only 2.5 months old.
He's 2.5 months old. He's not even missing him.
Yeah. Right now he's just 2.5 months old. He's just missing the love that I give him every morning. So I'll go back and compensate for that in the afternoon and in the evening, so that he doesn't miss anything else in his life.
He's a very lucky child to have you.
Yes.
And to have his family. I don't think he's going to miss anything in life.
I think we all as human beings, we need love, we need to feel like we're special, and I think if I can give that to my child, there won't be anything incomplete.
आगे आप शादी के बारे में क्या ख्याल रखते हैं कि आपके लिए वो इम्पोर्टेंट है?
No, I'll answer it. It's okay. It's okay. I'll answer it. I've never planned anything in my life. I do believe in the institution of marriage, but I think in today's day and age, I don't think it's a big deal. अगर मेरे हाथ में लिखा होगा, नसीब में होगा तो कर लूँगा, लेकिन फिलहाल मुझे सबसे पहले बाप बनना था बिकॉज द क्लॉक इज टिकिंग, आई एम 40 एंड आई डिडंट वांट टू डिले दैट एनी मोर. वो अभी वो मेरा सपना पूरा हो गया, उसके अलावा अभी मुझे कुछ सोचना नहीं है.
Are you planning to, you know, now make a movie on this kind of topic? Are you like
First tell her to cast me.
I'm making one with Tushar.
real kind of a situation if you cast him.
Now that
See,
आप लोग ने
God
अभी
is
मुझे आइडिया,
God is bringing us together somewhere the other. कितना भागी है
अभी जो
मुझसे,
मुझे
कितना भागी
आई
है.
लव यू, यू नो दैट. अब जो आपने मुझे आइडिया दिया है, डेफिनेटली अब मैं इसके बारे में सोचूंगी और सबसे पहले मैं तुषार को कास्ट करूंगी in this. If I ever make this movie, this will be breaking news, you know.
Farah and Tushar, since you both belong to the Bollywood fraternity, I would just need one small reaction from you. Since, you know, kissing was never a big deal in Bollywood, but again, you know, it has come back. People have started promoting and using it as a promotional tool. So what do you guys have to say about that?
That is, Farah, would you like to address it at this kind of forum, or could you just skip this?
No, I think, see, when you have IVF babies, kissing not important. Okay? You can
They are being
completely
very
do
decent.
without it.
No,
They have been very decent.
They've been very good and
So
decent.
should I take some credit for it?